Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Did you all miss my old setup? Because I really did. I really did. And I used to love my little space here, and then we got married. Anyways, so I think my last vision board video, we know that I believe in vision boards now, and I truly feel that vision boards do come true. So, first, let's start by talking about my old vision board, which is sort of a mess right now because it has been an year and it has sort of dismantled a little bit. Anyways, so this was my old vision board, and if I randomly pick out things, I had okay. So the biggest thing that came true for me, first I'll talk about that. Okay, so last year I wanted to get engaged to my boyfriend, and guess what, we got married last year. So that was like the biggest thing, and I mean I particularly wanted to get engaged because there were a lot of problems with the families and convincing, and I was like, I want to get married to this guy, I want to get engaged at least this year. And I worked hard on it, and I got married last year, so I got more than I asked for. Now that the second thing that came true for me was traveling. So traveling was actually like I envisioned this, that I wanted to travel a lot last year, and I don't think I've traveled that much in my entire life. Like I think I went on like good, I think, 8-ish trips in 12 months. I at least went to like good 8 trips. So that came true for me. So I have a bunch of things that I want to achieve this year. So first I'm gonna go cut all these pictures, and then we'll talk further.
Fall asleep, my little angel.
So I have cut the pictures, and I want to share my goals with you so that next time when I make a vision board video, you guys can see what came true for me. So I want to protect my peace of mind because I feel that this year so much has happened that uh, I had major anxiety this year from the start of the year, and also from the ending of this year. I had major anxiety, and I was very restless, and I just did not know what to do. So I want to protect that. And I also said I also printed out silence is luxurious, because I don't want to talk. I just want to do things, and I don't want to say something wrong and something that I don't mean. So I want to be very thoughtful of what I say. I really want to prioritize my family since I've left them, and now that after getting married, I live with Samarth. I feel that these guys miss me a lot, and there are times where they are waiting for me, and I don't show up. Like I'll say I'll show up, and I don't show up, and I don't want to do that anymore. I have a picture of my family, and I also have Samarth in this because even he is my family now, and especially my sister because she's in the age. Okay, so the next thing is that I want to visit London this year because Samarth and I have been talking about it, that we will visit London because he wants to do this exam that he has in Liverpool, and then I have to collect my degree, and then we would also want to like travel. Next thing, I really want to become a morning person because I've noticed that whenever I get up early in the morning, I tend to do more, I tend to be more productive. The next thing is I want to try out more food because I just love trying out different food, and man, like, you send me to a new place and I'll try out everything. So I really want to do that more this year. Thing is, I really want to get my ideal body where I want to get more toned. I don't want to lose any more weight, but I do want to get toned. Now this I'm not gonna tell you. So there is this particular brand that I've been wanting to work with this year, and I hope that comes true for me. Next is that I want to sort of focus more on my skincare, because I in 2023 I did not focus on my skin at all, and I did break out a lot, so I want to take care of my skin this year. Okay, so now I am somebody who does get attracted by luxury things. So I have something from Dior, I have something from LV, I have something from I don't know, like a lot of luxury brands. I do have things, but I do not have things from Chanel up till now. And you know, how can I be an it girl if I don't have Chanel? Like, so I want to get something. There's like nothing in particular. Maybe a lipstick, maybe a lip gloss, maybe anything, maybe a bag. I don't know. So let's see. I want to start making money this year. This was also on my vision board last year, but that did not come true for me. But this year, I really have high hopes, and I have a gut feeling that I might start earning this year. Let's see. Now, okay, now the most special thing in this is that I want to get my dream bag. Now, this is not my dream bag, but this is one of my dream bags. So this is the Jacquemus La Sex Siu Siu bag. Although this was a 2021 collection, like I don't know if they still make it, but I don't know. I don't mind buying a second hand, but I really want the La Sex Siu Siu. Is Instagram. I want to hit 20k followers this year. This is my goal, and I really have been very consistent. I have been working towards my content, and I also feel that I've also improved my content. So I don't know, yeah, but I really want to hit 20k. Next is that I want to start saving money, because I feel that we are at this day and age that saving money is very important. And for my future, I have dreams, I have aspirations, and I think saving money is the adulting that I want to do this year. Now, this year I want to make more friends. Now, this picture in particular, I want to go out on more dates, like picnic dates, movie dates, dinners, parties. I don't know, like high teas, cafe hopping. Like that's something I really want to do this year. So the next thing is I want to get monetized on YouTube, because this year I feel that I've been very consistent, and I do see myself getting monetized this year. Like I can vision it this year, and I want to have the it girl energy, the Serena van der Woodsen energy this year. Like that is the energy we're going for this year. I want to travel more. This was also on my wish list last year, and that did come true for me. So this year also I want to travel a lot. I want to see a lot of different places, a lot of different cultures. Next is that I want to go to Paris this year, because my sister and I have been planning to go to Paris this year in July or August. And also a fun fact, my sister and I have the same picture on both of our vision boards, so both of us are manifesting it together. So I am pretty sure it's gonna come true. This year I want to stay more groomed, because I feel that I've also been in my highest of feminine era, groomed all the time. Our nails done, our skin glowing, our body shining and glowing, our hair always in place. Next thing is that I want to spend more time with Samat, and I mean, we already do spend a lot of time together, but like more thoughtful time, you know. So this is a picture of us in Thailand. We visited the full moon party, and that was a very new experience and something both of us wanted to see. So this year I want to make more memories with him. Like I want to make more thoughtful and more nicer memories with him. And I also have a picture of cooking together. This is not us in the picture, by the way, but I want to plan dates like this with him. And then I have two things, that is consistency and trust the process, for my career this year. And yeah, let's start making the vision board. We have a blank paper. Okay, so our vision board is ready. I haven't pasted it yet, but I'm gonna paste it in my own time. But this is how my vision board looks like, and I really feel that all of you should do it as well, because for me it really works. And I've seen a lot of people, Lily Singh, Fernanda Ramirez, Tam Kaur, all of these people, it really works for them and they have achieved a lot in their life. I just feel that ambition and getting what you want is really important in your life, and I really do believe in these things. So I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you want to see next, because I don't know what you guys want to see. Like, I just randomly post whatever I want to. So